Are you waiting to feel confident before hitting record? Afraid you'll sound awkward, look unsure, or worse, get 0 views? Here's the truth. Confidence doesn't come before action. It's built after. And in this video, I'm giving you 3 ways to start showing up anyway, even when your voice is shaking, and 1 bonus tip at the end that'll completely shift how you see yourself. Let's kill the myth. Once I feel confident, I'll start. That's like saying once I'm fit, once I'm jacked, then I'll go to the gym. You're not going to go to the gym once you're all fit and jacked because you got that without any work. Why would you all of a sudden start putting in work in the gym? Come on. Confidence comes from evidence. You need proof to show yourself that you're the type of person who shows up. And that only happens 1 awkward, cringy video at a time. See, you clearly need to put in the work to get the results that you want. What's one thing that scares you the most about hitting record? Be honest. Drop it in the comments. Every confident creator you see, they have a graveyard of cringe behind them. That first video where they blinked too much or they looked like they were held hostage by their webcam. Yeah, we've all been there. The awkward phase isn't a setback, it's a requirement. If awkwardness disqualified people, believe me, I would not have made it past my first thumbnail. Comment below, how many takes does your average video take? I won't judge, I'll just silently relate. Confidence is the surface level goal, but what you're actually building is a whole new identity. From I'm not good on camera to I'm someone who practices anyway. From I'm scared to post to I show up anyway, even if it's messy. That shift, it rewires how you speak, how you present yourself, even how you think. You're not just becoming confident, you're becoming somebody who doesn't need permission to become visible. Quick check-in. Can you feel yourself starting to shift already? Let me know in the comments if this is hitting. Here's what most people miss. You don't need to feel confident. You just need to know why you're doing this. Clarity beats confidence every time. Are you creating content to express yourself more clearly? Connect with others? Build skills or courage? When you know your why, showing up scared still counts as showing up strong. Confidence is nice, but clarity shows up on time and doesn't ghost you after 1 awkward upload. Now let's talk about what's not talked about enough, your mental health. You don't have to fake confidence to be taken seriously. You just have to keep showing up, even shaky, even unsure, even on your 10th take. Give yourself permission to be in process. Confidence will catch up. If you're stuck thinking you need to be ready before you post, rewatch this. Or better yet, go film something right now, even if it sucks, especially if it sucks, because that's how we grow. Every video you create is proof to yourself and to others that you're beating self-doubt 1 video at a time. If you got value out of this, like, share, subscribe, so that this gets pushed out to other new creators struggling with self-doubt, self-confidence, so that they can get started on obtaining the results that they want to achieve. Are you waiting to feel confident before hitting record? Afraid you'll... Here's the truth. Confidence doesn't come before action. It's built after. Here's the truth. Confidence doesn't come before action. It's built after. And in this video, I'm giving you 3 ways. Confidence comes from evidence. You need proof that you're the type of person who shows up. Confidence comes from evidence, and that only happens... Confidence comes from evidence, and you need proof. In fact, every confident creator you see has a graveyard of... If awkwardness disqualified people, believe me, I wouldn't have made it past my first thumbnail. I would not have made it past my first thumbnail. I had to really push myself past that discomfort of from I'm not good on camera to that shift, It rewires how you speak, how you present yourself. Even you're not just becoming confident, if you're stuck feeling that building confidence isn't about being perfect, it's about showing up